Hi guys, this is Shrish and today I'm gonna cover experiment number 10 from Android Application Development Lab. The topic we're gonna cover today is fragment layouts. So now let's get on to the program. So this is the design that I have created. As you can see over here, I have created two separate fragments. So when you see the text view over here, you can see I have separated them and I have created the layout weight as 0.5 so as to separate them into two halves. Now let's see for what I'm doing. In main activity I'm actually setting up a content view and now for what the plan is actually to set the left part of it as a list view and the right part of it as a text view. So as you can see, for contact I'm setting it as list view and it will be showing in the left part of fragment 1 and details will be of text view and will be showing in the right part of fragment 2 of the fragment. Now let's see the class which binds this all. So I created a class called contact list which extends the fragment. For on create view I'm passing layout inflator and view group container and saved instance, and here I am running a constructor. For the list view I created, I'm initializing it, and since it's not been accessed from the main activity, I have to use the type I have to use it as find view by view dot find view by id because we are accessing it from view. Another page, another class. So I'm setting the string variable called name which has three contents abc, xyz and pqr. Similarly, I'm setting up a number of string type which has three numbers, and I'm setting email id of correspondingly to the names that I provided over there. Now I'm setting up an array adapter which has a parameter of get activity, then layout dot simple list item 1 and names. So array adapter will contain the names and will be showing in the list items. So I'm setting up the adapter to the list view here. When the list is being clicked, I have to sense it, so I'm setting up a set on click list now to the list view. What it does here is it takes the parent view and position an id of the clicked list view and it transfers it to the text view. So I'm assigning a text view with a variable name called text view. Here I'm copying all the data from text view to a string called data, and I'm merging it with the data that is provided from the list view. So what it does is, since here it will be empty, all the data will be merged and all the data from the list view will be copied to the text view. And here what I'm doing is the fragment manager. I'm just opening up fragment manager function and I'm going to copy all the details into into a variable called details with of the class type details. Then I'm setting up text for the content. Now let's run the application and see. As you can see over here, it's building, and this is my application. As you can see over here, it's a list view on the left hand side and the right hand side is actually text view. When I click on anything, it will be showing all the details of the corresponding list view item. So this brings us to the end of the experiment. Thank you for watching.